The news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today inaugurated the new International Telecommunication Union (ITU) Area Office and Innovation Centre in India. During an event in New Delhi, the Prime Minister also unveiled Bharat 6G Vision document and launched the 6G Research and Development Test Bed and Call Before You Dig app, or CBUD. Speaking on the occasion, the Prime Minister said the country is marching towards the next step of the digital revolution and India's digital model is smooth, secure, transparent, trusted and tested. He said this decade is India's tech aid. Highlighting the speed of expansion of the 5G services in the country, Modi said India is among the fastest country in the world to roll out 5G services.
टेस्ट बेड को भी लॉन्च किया गया है। इस टेक्नोलॉजी से जुड़े हमारे विजन डॉक्यूमेंट को अनवील किया गया है। ये डिजिटल इंडिया को नई ऊर्जा देने के साथ ही साउथ एशिया के लिए, ग्लोबल साउथ के लिए नए समाधान, नए इनोवेशन लेकर आएगा।
Chief Minister Conrad